Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be showing you Selena, which is by the Stylist, sold exclusively only at samsbeauty.com. Here I'm just showing you the wig construction. It is a 13 by 6 lace wig, so you will get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, plus an elastic strap, and you will have lace parting from ear to ear, and then a 6-inch deep parting space from the front of your hairline to the crown of your head. Here I'm just showing you what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. It is really pretty. I did order her in a number 2, and she does have a lot of long baby hairs in the front, which I think it's pretty nice because you're able to customize it and get it at the right length that you want. Also, I am just showing you the curl pattern, which is really pretty. It's like maybe, it reminds me of a deep curly hair. And then also this unit is big head friendly, which is a huge plus in my book. You will get plenty of lace parting from ear to ear, so she will be able to fit on most people's heads. Take me to your soul, never drawn apart. I belong to you. Be my guiding star. Alright, so I decided to do a half up, half down, which is actually my first time trying to do this on a unit. And before you get started, you definitely want to make sure you pin the wig down so she's not sliding all over your wig head. And as you can see here, I am just pulling the hairs back that I want to be in the ponytail. You definitely want to make sure you look out for any tracks that may be showing on the side. Also, this unit does come kind of like pre-plucked with a part on the side, so I did have a little bit of difficulty just trying to get that area to blend in to go all the way back. And as you can see here, I just went over it with my pressing comb, and I'm laying the baby hairs down just to kind of get them to fall forward. And then I use my pressing comb and my wax stick to give it a sleek look. Now I am just grabbing the end parts of the ponytail, and I'm just going to try to blend that in, and I'm using my mousse to lay down the hairs, and then I will be going over it with my Got2b gel and my brush to kind of smooth it in. And I decided to try it this way because I really wanted to have all of the hair up in a ponytail, and I also wanted to cover the tracks that are on the side. So I figured by separating the ponytail into 2 sections, it would be easier to make it blend in better. And that's what I did. Also, you want to make sure you leave out sideburn hair. So I went ahead and parted that out, and that way I will go back later and cut it and style it. So here I am just showing you how I curl my sideburns with my flat iron, and I've already tied my ponytail down with the silk scarf so that way it can be nice and flat and sleek. I am going over my sideburns with Got2b gel, and as you will see here, it is going to have a nice look, nice sleek look, nice and flat, just the way I like it. And as I put the unit on my hair, I will be going over it again with more Got2b and just trying to get the hairs to mold in the direction that I want them to mold in. And I will be tying them down with the scarf, waiting a few minutes and untying it. And then after that, I will just go ahead and put the hair in the direction that I want them to be in. And I really like wispy, thin looking baby hairs. I'm not a big fan of the really thick, dramatic looking baby hairs, but I am going in with my flat iron to kind of curl it up a little bit and make them look a little bit more wispy. But yeah, this is the actual final look. And I mean, for this to be my first time doing a half up, half down, I think it came out cute. It does remind me of a 1990s style, and it's just giving me that vibe. So I definitely like how this turned out. And yeah, this is the finished look.